Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore the concept of AI, its benefits, and its potential impact on our lives. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables machines to learn from data and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This can include anything from recognizing images and speech to making decisions and predictions. Benefits of AI. There are several benefits of AI. Firstly, it can help us solve complex problems that would otherwise be challenging to tackle. AI can process large amounts of data and find patterns that humans might miss. This has numerous applications in fields such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Secondly, AI can improve efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. This can help businesses save time and money, as well as reduce the risk of errors. Finally, AI can enhance our daily lives by providing us with personalized recommendations and experiences. For example, AI-powered virtual assistants can help us with tasks such as scheduling appointments and answering questions. Potential impact of AI. While AI has numerous benefits, it also has the potential to impact our lives in several ways. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI continues to automate more tasks, some jobs may become obsolete. However, it's also important to note that AI will also create new jobs in fields such as data analysis and software development. Another potential impact of AI is its ability to shape our behavior. For example, personalized recommendations from AI-powered algorithms may influence our purchasing decisions and preferences. It's essential to be aware of these potential effects and ensure that AI is used responsibly. Ethical considerations. There are several ethical considerations when it comes to AI. One of the most significant concerns is bias. AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, the algorithm will be biased as well. This can lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes, such as racial profiling. Another ethical consideration is transparency. It's essential that AI systems are transparent about how they make decisions, especially in cases where the decisions can have significant consequences. This can help ensure that the decisions made by AI are fair and understandable. Finally, privacy is a significant concern when it comes to AI. AI systems are only as effective as the data they can access. This means that sensitive personal information may be collected and used to train AI algorithms. It's important that this information is handled responsibly and with the user's consent. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. It can help us solve complex problems, improve efficiency, and enhance our daily lives. However, it's important to be aware of its potential impacts and ethical considerations to ensure that AI is used responsibly. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.